Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Zara Size Guide. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Zara app to quickly find the right fit using the built-in fit finder. This is helpful when you're unsure between sizes or shopping a new style or fabric. The process is simple, and I'll point out what to expect on each screen so it feels smooth and stress-free. First, open the Zara app on your device. Give it a moment to load to the home screen. If your layout looks slightly different from what you see here, don't worry. The names and buttons are usually in the same places, even if the design updates from time to time. Next, look for a sample item you'd like to size. You can browse by category or use the search bar to jump straight to a specific piece, like a shirt, jeans, or a dress. Pick something representative of what you actually plan to buy, since the Fit Finder tailors recommendations to each product's cut and fabric. Now tap on the item to open its product page. This page shows the photos, description, color options, price, and importantly, the sizing area. Take a quick look at the fabric composition or fit notes here. Details like relaxed fit or slim can influence what you select later. Next, tap on Add. Depending on your app version, this might say Add, Add to Bag, or prompt you to select a size first. Tapping here brings up the size selector and usually reveals the Fit Finder option nearby. If you see multiple size letters or numbers, don't choose one yet. We're about to get a more precise recommendation. Now tap on Fit Finder. You might see it labeled as Find Your Size or Size Guide. It's typically located close to the size buttons. Opening it launches a short questionnaire that tailors sizing to your body and preferences. Finally, follow the on-screen procedure. You'll be asked a few quick questions, often height, weight, how you like clothes to fit, and sometimes your usual size in similar items. Answer as accurately as you can. The more precise the inputs, the better the recommendation. When the result appears, you'll typically see a suggested size plus a confidence indicator or a note like run small or relaxed fit. If you're between sizes, consider the fabric and intended silhouette. Structured pieces or non-stretch denim may feel snug, while knits and stretch fabrics offer more give. You can revisit the Fit Finder on other items and adjust your answers if your preferences change. That's it. You've opened the Zara app, selected an item, tapped Add, launched Fit Finder, and followed the prompts to get a tailored size recommendation. Enjoy shopping with more confidence and fewer returns.